Hello, you're welcome. I'm glad you all could join me today. Today, I want to speak on the topic, your value isn't up for debate. Let me start with a question. Who told you your worth is negotiable? Who made you believe you must prove your value? When did your existence become something to justify? When did your identity become something to explain? Listen to me clearly. Your value is not a vote, it's not a poll, it's not a popularity contest. Your worth doesn't increase with applause. It doesn't decrease with criticism. People's opinions don't define your essence. People's perceptions don't determine your destiny. Gold doesn't lose value because someone doesn't recognize it. A diamond is still a diamond even in the dust. You don't become valuable when people accept you. You were valuable before they noticed you. Some people will underrate you because they don't understand you. Some will doubt you because they can't control you. Rejection is not reflection. Delay is not denial. Silence is not insignificance. Waiting is not weakness. Your worth is not measured by your income, not by your status, not by your title. Your worth is not measured by your mistakes, not by your failures, not by your past. You are not your worst season. You are not your lowest moment. You are not your hardest chapter. You are more than your story. You are value in motion. You are growth in progress. You are purpose in development. You are destiny in formation. Stop shrinking yourself to be accepted. Stop explaining yourself to be tolerated. Not everyone needs to understand you. Not everyone needs to approve you. Not everyone deserves access to you. Some doors close to protect your value. Some relationships end to preserve your identity. Confidence is not arrogance. Boundaries are not pride. Self-respect is not selfishness. Standards are not ego. Know your worth so you don't beg for love. Know your value so you don't chase validation. When you know who you are, you move differently. You speak differently. You choose differently. You stop negotiating with disrespect. You stop tolerating what dishonors you. You stop living for approval and start living in alignment. You stop performing for acceptance and start walking in purpose.
As we gather here today, let's reflect on the path ahead. We must ascend together, united in purpose.
Your value was given. Your worth was correct. Your life was designed, not random. You don't need permission to matter. You don't need validation to exist. You don't need approval to belong. You don't need applause to be valuable. Your value isn't up for debate. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Stand in it, walk in it, live from it, build from it. Because when you know your worth, the world can't price you. And when you know your value, nothing can replace you.
Thank you all for your time. God bless you.